What's up, YouTube? This is my apartment tour, the first apartment I had in Saigon. As you can see here, this is the entrance with a small courtyard garden. And at the time I rented this apartment, it was about $500 per month. As you walk up the stairs, you can see here, this is the bedroom, the whole studio apartment. So when you come up the stairs, I usually keep the shoes on the staircase and my guitar at the side. Here's the kitchenette, and then on the left side, here's the bathroom. And a really nice shower here, and a couple places to put the towels, soap, shampoo, really clean and stylish modern bathroom design, and then a large set of curtains. And here, going in towards the living room from the kitchen, so let's just go check this out. Here's the living room. There's a really nice TV. Here at the side there's a desk along with my bed here. I do have to say the bed was a bit stiff, but it did the job, I guess. It was alright. And here you just slide this open and you can enjoy from the couch the nature outside. So this is what the cool feature of this apartment was, the feeling of being outside at the same time that you're spending your time inside the apartment. It's a really nice feature, and I think it's a kind of a trademark of the Japanese architecture, integrating nature with the inside living quarters. From here you can check out the scenery from the balcony. You can also see the large tree from the courtyard. The door opens wide open, so you can pretty much enjoy being outside and inside at the same time, and have some breakfast on this coffee table, some tea, coffee, whatever you enjoy. So coming back in the inside here, here's the living room. It's pretty much consisted of a TV, really nice couch. Here's a really nice book about coffee in Saigon. It adds to the nice touch to the living space. Really comfy couch. I love that couch. And then back to the kitchenette, and you got a microwave. Some Vietnamese magnets that my landlords gave to me to put on the fridge. Now here's the bed. It was a bit stiff, like I said earlier, but it's alright. You can get a mattress pad if you need to. And here's the desk. The desk has its kind of own space. Have a little clock on the side of the fridge. Now here's the closet where I kept all my clothes and my belongings. It's very nice and plenty of storage. And you can also see that the apartment has a large ceiling. It's a very large space, and I never felt claustrophobic being or spending time in this apartment at all. It's a very large space, very high ceiling, and you get a very large atmosphere feel to it. On the other side of the apartment here, this large window, you can also open it up just like the back one, so the air pretty much flows through it. But the landlord doesn't recommend to open this because usually dirt blows in from the street, so I just opened the one here on the side of the living room. Aside from that, the other things that come with the apartment is cleaning service, so they have a maid that comes in every now and then to clean the room and then do your laundry. They'll collect the basket filled with your clothes and then carry down the stairs here. Now here you can see the courtyard filled with trees and nature, as the Japanese architect like to integrate nature with the living space and design. I guess kind of give it that harmony and peaceful feeling. And it's a very beautiful day in Saigon on this day that I filmed this footage. So going up the stairs here, you can see there's another unit, and then up the stairs is the laundry facilities, which you can see on the rooftop. There's a view of my apartment from the outside looking in. And here is the view on the rooftop where the laundry is, and you can see Vin Homes and Landmark 81. And then on the side here is more view and scenery of Saigon. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.